Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to study partnership account in accountancy. Okay? Partnership. The name itself defines that there are more than one partner in a business. Okay? First of all, introduction. Now, you know very well that to run a business very smoothly, we need more than two partners. There are different types of business, small business, big business, but in this business, we need different kinds of partners. Means more than one person. For these, there are some terms and conditions which they all have to follow and to run the business very smoothly. Let me describe its characteristics. First characteristics that there should be a written contract between the partners. There should be a written contract between the partners. That means an agreement should be signed in which each and everything should be mentioned regarding the business. Even small and minute things should be listed in this contract or agreement. Now, the basic purpose of the business is to earn what? Profit. The basic motive for all these is to earn profit. Now, कोई भी बिजनेस हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रॉफिट के लिए करते हैं. So, there should be written agreement regarding the profit, in which ratio they will share or whatsoever they decide in their contract. Now, third, it should be a legal business. It should be a legal. It should be a legal business. That means it should be registered by the government, or it should be a very legal, not an illegal business. Now, then the next thing, everything regarding the liabilities, the drawings, and it should be mentioned in the contract. Liabilities, drawings should be mentioned in the business. These are the basic characteristics. These are the basic characteristics of a partnership account. Regarding, there are many other partnerships which are mentioned, which are given in your textbook. These are the basic things which a contract or an agreement should be there in this contract. Now, what is a partnership? Now, what is a partnership? Let me define. According to the Act 1932, according to the Act 1932, a legal business which should have a written contract or an agreement between the partners, so that to carry a legal business can be defined as a partnership. These characteristics can be included in the definition. Means a legal business or an agreement contract to earn a profit between the partners is considered as partnership account, according to that 1932. Is it clear? Now, the next thing which we are going to study, that is the what important things should be there in the partnership. First important thing is important things First important thing, provision to capital. That means provision to capital. There should be a written agreement regarding the provision or the capital with which they are investing. Second, interest on capital plus its interest. Interest should be specifically mentioned in it. What percent or how many types of whatever the interest they are going to take regarding the investment of the capital. Second important thing, that is drawings. Second important thing is drawing. To what extent and how much drawings they can do in the business. There should be specifically mentioned as well as its interest. Same, just like the capital, provision of the capital, its interest. In the same way, drawing and its interest. Now, ratio. For profit and loss, in which ratio they will distribute their profit or loss. It should be also specifically mentioned in this agreement, written contract. Now, if another thing, that is bonus, salary, commission, etc. Any other thing, maybe bonus, maybe salary, commission, remuneration, any other things, it should be also mentioned in the contract. Now, regarding the dissolution of the firm, all these things, when a firm comes to a dissolution point, then all these written evidence, it is required. Then only they can do the dissolution of the business. Now, these are the basic things for the partnership account. Let me remind you, partnership account means to run a business, we need more than two partners. More than two partners are required to run a business. For that, their business should be legal. There should be written evidence of it, written contract, written agreement. Then the business is only done for the purpose of profit. Then it should be each and everything, even the small and minute things, should be in written regarding drawing, liabilities, provisions for capitals, then provision for interest, provision for drawings, interest, their ratio to distribute profit, to distribute loss is to be in a written. Now, any other things regarding the profit and loss, salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, any other thing, it should be in the written form. So, these are the basic things which we require for a partnership firm. Hope you must have understood it very clearly, very neatly. You need to read it at home. Okay? Stay safe, stay at home.